Hi there. So today I organized my adhesives box. So a friend of mine, long time ago, I had mentioned, oh yeah, it's in my adhesives box. And she was like, what? You've got enough tape to go into an adhesive box? So I thought it would be kind of funny to share this, but also to see what an artist has for different things to either glue or tape something together. So I had things in different areas of my studio and then in this one box. And so what I ended up doing is I went in and I took everything out and then separated for what I'm going to keep in my studio and then what I can have in this one box. Okay, enjoy.